Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming iCloud sync and a default notes account so changes propagate instantly. Next, enable two-factor authentication for security. This prevents accidental data loss. Create a simple folder hierarchy: work, personal, projects, archive, so you don't decide structure later. Once done, open Notes and create a template note for quick reuse. This saves time when you capture repeated items like meeting minutes or shopping lists, and it gets you into the work. Now you move into capturing and organizing with intention. Use nested folders and consistent tags, for example #meeting or #to-do, so you can filter quickly. Tags act like dynamic folders. Make Quick Notes your default capture tool on iPad and Mac for instant access. Scan documents into a note rather than taking photos, and attach voice memos when your hands free. Once you tag and file notes immediately, searching later becomes trivial, and your inbox won't balloon. Finish by refining and securing your system. Pin keynotes, archive completed ones weekly, and prune duplicates. Lock sensitive notes with a password or face/touch ID so private data stays private. Automate recurring templates using a saved checklist to reduce friction. If something goes wrong with syncing, make sure iCloud is enabled, toggle notes off and on in settings, sign out and sign back into iCloud, and verify you have storage space. These steps resolve most sync hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.